it's Iko. In this festive period, we are eating way too much meat. As much as I love Christmassy British food such as roast and Christmas pudding, I need to eat some Japanese thing every now and again, otherwise my tummy gets a bit too tired. So today I'd like to cook a Japanese rice dish using seafood. It's called a Takikomi Gohan. Let's check out the ingredients. We will need 2 cups of sushi rice, seafood mix, a half a sachet of dashi powder, 3 classic Japanese condiments, soy sauce, cooking sake, and mirin. First of all, we wash the rice. Rinse it as many times as necessary until the water stays clear when it's poured in the rice. Put a pack of seafood into the saucepan, then add 1½ cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into the saucepan. 2, remember? Let's give it a bit of stir. Pop the lid on and cook it on the medium heat until it starts simmering. When it hits the boiling point, turn it down to the low heat and cook it until all the water is absorbed. It looks like all the water is absorbed. You can actually tilt it to see if anything was left at the bottom. It looks fine, so we can turn off the cooker. We can pop the lid back on and let it steam for about 15 minutes. It's so easy! All done! Even if you find a bit of burnt rice at the bottom of the saucepan, no worries at all. We call this particular bit okoge and we absolutely love it because it has extra aromatic flavour and a bit of crispy texture. I think the only job left is to eat! Smells lovely. I can smell the seafood. Itadakimasu! Very tasty, and this is comforting food for me. In 1 spoonful of rice, I get so much seafood. This is definitely a luxury. If you like the recipe, please subscribe the channel. Just click here. See you next time!